How's it going, Ford Super Duty owners? We have an F250 Super Duty 4-wheel drive 2015. We had a battery terminal that kind of went bad on us. I think when I was trying to use remote start, it burned up some relays. So my symptom was I could turn on the key, I had fuel, everything was fine, it would not crank. When you turn the key, it's one of those ones where it automatically engages the starter for 3 seconds for it to start and disengages. You can't control how long the starter runs. We talked to the dealership, we searched online. I just couldn't get around the fact that one of these relays might be the culprit. There are 6 of these under the hood, right in front of the driver, right below the windshield, and there's one of these in the passenger foot space. The way to test these is get your multimeter set up for ohms. I have a small eBay power supply, and you can just come in here, put your 2 ohm meter leads on this, and then I'm set for 12.5 volts here. And then you can use this clip here to energize the relay. You can hear it clicking. And you can see also it's dissipating 0.14 of an amp to close. Then over here, look at the ohm meter. You can see when I close it, we get a nice clean closure and clean opening. So what we found was we had 3 bad ones from that. And it was because my battery voltage was so low, I believe it burnt the coil up across these pins in 1 and 2. So I don't know what that would have cost at the dealer. Another thing we did was we took this wire, I reached up underneath and I put this on the starter solenoid wire, and I had my wife go and touch the positive battery terminal when the key was on, and the truck started just fine. So it was not the starter. I'll try to edit this video and make it clear for you, but there are some documents online. I'll try to post the relevant ones for which one's the starter and stuff. But I searched everywhere and I couldn't get a clear answer on this. I hope this helps somebody else.